VapeFully presents.
Hey guys, this is Jenny from VapeFully.com, and today I'm going to be doing a review of this little vape pen, the Linx Hypnos Zero. The Linx Hypnos Zero is designed for use with concentrates only. It does not work with dry herb. Nevertheless, it's a very exciting device, and I can't wait to show it to you. So come on guys, let's get into it, shall we? The Linx Hypnos Zero is super small and is an insanely discreet extract vaporizer. It measures just 10 centimeters, so it is much smaller than other vape pens currently on the market. But in this case, small size comes with great performance, and that's cool. What's unique with the Linx Hypnos Zero is the fact that there are no coils in the atomizer. Instead of that, there's a ceramic plate that heats up your extract. The general manufacturing quality is superb. The unit is very sturdy, sleek, and looks elegant. The glass mouthpiece contributes to great flavor. Using the Linx Hypnos Zero is very intuitive. You simply put a small dab inside the atomizer, engage the heater button, and start inhaling right away. Therefore, Linx Hypnos is super convenient and discreet. You can take a singular puff and put it back in your pocket. What's interesting is there are 4 different temperature settings to choose from. According to a chosen setting, you can get better flavor, bigger vapor output, or something in between. The coilless atomizer provides a much better overall vapor quality. It's not scratchy at all. It's smooth, tasty, and pleasant. And of course, the vapor is very potent. For me, 2 to 3 pulls works well enough. All in all, with the Linx Hypnos Zero, you'll be able to have a quick session and attract no attention at all. The device itself looks very inconspicuous, just like an elegant e-cig. Okay, so what are the main drawbacks of the Linx Hypnos Zero? There aren't many, to be honest. I would like the battery life to be slightly better. It definitely will last you a whole day, even if you're a serious dapper, but some other vape pens require charging the battery only once, let's say every 4 to 5 days. With the Linx Hypnos Zero, you have to charge it once every 1 to 2 days if you're a heavy user. Also, it's not always easy to load your dabs into the atomizer, as they can be very sticky, but that's the case with most vape pens. Overall, I truly admire the Linx Hypnos Zero. It's super discreet, it provides a great experience, great efficiency, and the taste is second to none. So, don't wait and get yours today at VapeFully, your trusted vaporizer experts.